These are actually a whole lot on me. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Father, Son, House of Gucci. And the fact that we have the same name, it was just meant to be. It was just meant to be. I'm ready for summer. I'm literally screaming on the inside. Somebody was scaring the postman. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is another Luxe Collective haul. So I have picked up another few things from Luxe Collective, which is a company that resells second-hand designer pieces. They are 100% authentic and every piece is authenticated. If it's not authentic, it does not make it to the website. And they drop new pieces every night at 8 PM now. If you haven't heard of them, definitely go and have a nosy. They've obviously got their website, they're on TikTok, Instagram, and they have their own YouTube channel, which I will link everything down below so that you can go and see. I love purchasing my secondhand pieces from Luxe Collective because I know they're 100% authentic. They also grade them as well from like good condition, very good, excellent, or brand new. It also tells you if it comes with the original dust bag and box or not. They're really trustworthy. If something's not right, you can return it, and you can also sell your pre-loved designer pieces to them as well. And I'm very excited to share with you what I've picked up, and I have picked up my first genuine Chanel piece. Like, I actually can't believe I have a genuine Chanel piece. I'm so happy. I like to think that I try and be sustainable with fashion and try and buy secondhand pieces when I can or where I can, but definitely in designer, because the majority of the time the pieces are in very good or brand new condition. Like, it might be a phase for some people, like a trend, but for you it's a timeless piece, so you get it for a fraction of the price if it was brand new. So that's why I like buying secondhand pieces. So quit the chat and I need to show you. I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to start off with shoes. So the first pair of shoes I picked up from Luxe Collective are another pair of Jimmy Choos. I actually really like Jimmy Choos, they're really comfortable. Now this pair didn't come with the original box. It did come with a dust bag, which is downstairs because I will be hand washing it. But they also sent it in a Luxe Collective dust bag just because they're a bit more sturdy and they probably didn't want to damage the Jimmy Choo dust bag. So I picked up these gorgeous red suede Jimmy Choos. Now I absolutely love these, and I just think every girl has to have a red heel in their wardrobe, which is actually, do I have? Oh, I do, I've got one pair, but they're not very practical. So I decided to pick up these gorgeous Jimmy Choo heels. They are suede. These are worn, very slight wear at the bottom there. But other than that, they're perfect. I picked these up in a UK size 4. Like, the suede is so soft, and you've got the slight tapered heel, and I love this look. I think it's very classic, very beautiful. You've got the pointed toe with a sling back. Like, this bit just reminds me of a Louis Vuitton shoe. I'm just blabbering because I love these so much. These do have the authenticity certificate with them. And obviously you get the wee Luxe Collective slip with your receipt in, which I will keep with my shoes. I just think I'll get so many wears out of these for like wedding guests or birthday celebrations, Christmas. And I've been a size 4 for years, so I know for a fact I'm not changing shoe size anytime soon. I just love a classic red pair of heels. Next pair of shoes I picked up came with the original box and dust bag. So I don't know if you can tell by the box, but I picked up these gorgeous Saint Laurent shoes. I love these. I've actually never seen these before, so I was very excited when I found them. So it does come with a genuine box and a genuine dust bag, and these are a bit of me. These are actually a whole lot of me. So shock horror, they are actually a pair of heels. These are actually a whole lot of me. So I managed to get my hands on these gorgeous Saint Laurent Lulu mules. Like, they're beautiful and can be styled down for a more casual look, and they're in this gorgeous like khaki brown colour. Like, in different lights they look brown, or they can look green, I absolutely love these. And these are actually brand new. They have never been worn. There's not a mark on the sole. They're also suede and I love the knot detail at the front. Like, tell me they're not gorgeous. I've never worn a pair of Saint Laurent shoes, but I'm guessing by the block heel she will be pretty comfortable to walk in, and I absolutely love a mule. Like, I just can't stop touching them. Again, I picked these up in a UK size 4, and like I was saying, people that sell second-hand designer items, a lot of the time they are brand new and never worn, and obviously I paid an absolute fraction of the price if I were to buy these from a shop. Like, I'm ready for summer. Next, moving on to a little accessory. It comes in the Luxe Collective dust bag, and can you tell by the colours of the box? It's Gucci. So I picked up this gorgeous piece from Gucci. I just love the little box, it's so cute. So it's like a box inside a box. Very strange, but very cool. So I picked up this silk Gucci bloom in the blue colour, like silk headband or necktie. I absolutely love this, and I love the blue colour because again it matches my eyes. Now I do actually quite like to tie my hair up in things like this, and I just thought it was too good a price to not add it to my basket. So this is 100% genuine silk, and obviously it's genuine Gucci, and I just love the bloom print, especially in the blue. I know they do it in pink as well, but this is so pretty, and I don't think this will ever really go out of fashion because florals come back in every year, and blues are always a colour that I'll go to, or should go to more, should I say. Okay, so moving on to bags. So I managed to pick up this oldie but goodie Louis Vuitton bag, and if you're a lover like me, you'll know that by the colour of this box that this bag was made before 2003, before they changed their packaging. And it's the Louis Vuitton pochette black. Does that say Ellie? Is it not meant to be Epi? Yeah, so this is the old packaging, which if you don't know, I love old vintagey things. So it's got the old genuine receipt in the box, and I think this is funny. This bag was originally purchased on February 23rd, 2008 at 3:38 p.m. The lady that bought it originally paid £400 for it. I just can't believe the increase of price Louis Vuitton has done since then. I have already worn her out, but I don't think I've taken any... That's a lie, I have taken a picture with her. This is her. This is the Louis Vuitton pochette in the Epi leather. It's black with silver hardware, and it does have detachable strap. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It does have the LV, and the Epi leather for me is more hard wearing than the monogram canvas. So if we open her up, she is black suede inside, quite actually spacious, obviously with the Luxe Collective tag. The serial code is on the inside of the inner pouch. Even though I'm not a silver hardware kind of girl, or just silver in general, I'm more gold. I think that this is an absolute classic and beautiful piece, and it just smells like old leather. Because essentially that's what it is. Like, obviously whoever's had this previously has taken very good care of her, because she is immaculate. There's no scratches on the hardware at all that I can see. She's a little bit of history in my collection. So next is another piece from Louis Vuitton. Can you tell that this is my most loved designer brand? So this is a more recent piece from Louis Vuitton, which I love. So there is actually a story behind this piece. I have been looking at her for over a year. I've been looking at buying her. I've just never done it until I found her on Luxe Collective. She has the most iconic name ever. Can you guess? It's the Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet. Like, she has the same name as me, so I couldn't not get her. So that's pretty much the only reason I wanted this purse, is because it was called Zoe as well. Like, look at her. She's gorgeous. She's iconic. She's perfect. So this is the Zoe wallet in the Damier Azure canvas, and she's pink. I love her so much. I'm not a huge fan of the Damier print, but I do really like it in the white colour. So she's just a little compact purse. She's got card holders in there and your note pouch there, and she does have a little compartment for coins. And her serial code is just embossed here on the leather in gold. And she also has a little compartment at the back. And I just absolutely love her. I have been needing a smaller purse. I do have the Louis Vuitton Emily purse in monogram empreinte leather in black, which I've had for many years. And I still use it and I still love it. I just needed something a little more compact that fits in my smaller bags. So I finally have her, and the fact that we have the same name, it was just meant to be. It was just meant to be. Second last item I picked up is this baby. She came in the Luxe Collective dust bag, but she also comes in her genuine dust bag. And she's Gucci. So I picked up this Gucci piece from the website, and I think she's absolutely beautiful. She just gave me like retro kind of vibes. So I picked up this Gucci black Ophidia belt bag. She is suede here and then like a patent leather around the edging and the belt as well. Now I love a bum bag. I just think they look so cool. They're comfy. You don't have to like hump stuff on your shoulder all the time. You can wear it across your body. And I mean, she's Gucci. And she's not in your face because she's black. I love the look of her. She is definitely giving 90s vibe. And when this bag was first launched, I think she retailed for over £1,000, which I paid nowhere near that, obviously. Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have her. I just think she's a classic. And she looks vintage. Father Son House of Gucci. She's only got very slight wear on the inside with just a couple of tiny stains. But I don't mind because she's absolutely beautiful. And I think I'll need to make a couple more notches in the belt. Oh god, hold on. Somebody was scaring the postman. You want me to carry on with the video? We can do that. Because you've come at the best time. And finally, last but not least, of course I had to save best till last. Like I need to remember to breathe because I'm too excited. Oh, it just feels like not affordable. Like if you haven't sat down, sit down because the suspense is killing me. Are you ready? Hi. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like I actually can't hold in my excitement. Like she may be small and she might not be a classic flat bag or a Chanel 19 or genuine Chanel 19, but she's Chanel. Are you ready? I'm just going to open her because I can't deal with this anymore. I absolutely flipping love her. I'm going to take out the fake cards because they are annoying. But she is my first genuine Chanel piece, and she is the Chanel 19, I've forgotten what it's called already. She is the Chanel 19 quilted lambskin card holder with gold hardware in the colour tan. Like I could actually just look at her all day, I'm sorry. I love neutrals, if you haven't already guessed already, apart from the fact I'm wearing green today. And this room is yellow. Anyway, I could not believe it when this piece was not sold out online on Luxe Collective by the time I actually got to have a look at the new drop. Like, why did no one buy her sooner? Which, thank you very much for not buying her sooner, because I got my hands on her. And the Chanel 19 is my favourite Chanel bag in any colour, black, white, tan, I'll have it. So when I saw the Chanel 19 card holder, I had to. Honey, if you're watching this, Christmas is an IOU. Love you. I'm only joking. Like, she's so padded and so soft. Like, the ultimate luxury brand for me is Chanel. So I actually cannot believe that I'm holding her right now and she's mine. So that's it for my Luxe Collective haul. Ending on like the highest of highs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.